Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to send a photo on the Discord app for PC after the new update. It's quick, it's simple, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to share any image with your friends or community in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Once it launches, head over to the left sidebar, where all your servers, channels, and private messages are located. Find the chat or server channel where you want to send your photo. This could be a direct message with a friend or a group space with several people. Now look at the bottom of your screen where the chat box is. To the left of that text box, you'll notice a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon opens up a small menu that lets you attach different kinds of files to your message. From that menu, select the option that says Upload a File. As soon as you click on it, your computer's file explorer will pop up. This is where you can browse through your folders and find the photo you want to share. Once you've found the right picture, simply double-click on it. That action will move the image directly into your Discord message box, ready to be sent. You'll also see a small preview of the picture so you can double-check that you've picked the correct one. At this point, you're almost done. Take a look to the right side of the preview and you'll see an upload button. Click that button and Discord will instantly share your photo into the chat. Everyone in that channel will be able to see it right away. That's it. You've just learned how to send a photo on the Discord PC app with the latest update. It's a smooth process that works both in servers and private messages, making it easy to share memories, screenshots, or anything else you'd like. Thanks for watching.